My CapCut has opened, so let me drag this and drop here so that we use it for illustration here. Okay, so let me play this video a little so that you see how it sounds.
This content quickly walks you through on
You can see the audio is playing very well. All right, so I'll click on this cut so that we see how we are going to reduce the volume. If you want to reduce the volume of the whole video, please, you don't need to cut. All right, but let me practicalize with this clip here. So if I click on it and I want to reduce the volume, you will see some options here. Click on audio. On clicking on audio, you'll be landed on basic. So here, 0.0 dB is selected. All right. So if you want it to reduce, you drag this way. The audio level will reduce. All right. So let's click on this to
through
play.
on how to create flashcards.
You can see this is sounding less than this. All right. So that's how you reduce the volume. But there's another kind of options or styles of reducing volume. Okay. So that style, let's practice it. So I will take my playhead here and click on cut so that we practice with that one. So I'll click on this. Then I'll click on audio. Then the one I want us to use is the fade in and fade out. So before I go into this fade in and fade out, I want to point out at something, okay? Point out something. If the audio is different from the media, from the video, maybe that's separated, your attention should be on the audio. So you have to click on the audio, which is usually under, then you do this adjustment. But here everything is joined together. Okay, now let's use the fade in. So take your cursor here and drag it. All right. So now here the audio will be less and it returns to normal at a point. So if you want to increase it more, you keep on dragging. So well, let's leave it where it was before and see how it works. So I will take my playhead here and play.
With the help of Notebook LM, let's just get right into it. If this helps,
You can see here it plays less and at a point it started playing normal. Let me undo so that we see how the second options work. The second option works. I'll click on the clip, then I will click on audio, then let's use the fade out option. But before, because this clip is too long, I would like to cut from here so that we focus on this particular clip here. So I'll click on it, click on audio, and then let's practice with the fade out. So you can see. So from here, it's going to play high from the beginning here. And then when it gets here, it starts reducing. So
with the
adjust
help
it the way you
of
want it.
Notebook LM, let's just get right into it. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information.
You can see it was playing normal here. And when it got to this place, it reduced. So reduce your volume the way you want it in CapCut PC.
If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more, hit the like button and leave a comment. See you some other time.